Morning everybody, Jason, Hollis Farms. It's a little while after daylight. I hit my snooze this morning. This is the first morning I've missed in a long time. I think it's the first morning all year. Plus, it's probably the first morning in 3 or 4 years. I don't know what happened, but just tired, I guess. But I started to get on up. I was laying there right about daylight gobbling time. I started to get on up. I said, nah, I'm going to lay here a little bit. So then I started going down there a minute ago, and I said, nah, I'm just going to cool it today. So first thing I'm going to do, I got to tighten up here. And everybody's always talking about need to wash my trucks and all. I'm probably not no time soon going to wash my truck, because they're just going to get dirty again. Trucks are made to use, not to wash. Even though this one needs it, and the Dodge needs it too. They all nasty. But we use them. But one thing I am going to do I hadn't done in a while, y'all will like this. I got to clean the floorboard out. Pair of boots and trash. I'm going to do this first, and then I got to decide what else we're going to do. Alright y'all, so I'm in the 01 Dodge. The batteries have been being dead. Every time I get in this thing, and they are. So, we are fixing to work on the black 01 Dodge. Probably have to go get some batteries. Alright y'all, so I am trying to get y'all set up there. May not be good. I am just before needing new ends on these battery cables. Today may be the day, but I might make it without them. We are gonna see what I do with my socket. Maybe we can make it without it. So here it won't act right on for me. Oh yeah. One of them loose. I gotta give me something to take this bracket loose. Alright, let's see if we can get this bracket out. See if it's corroded all up. Gotta make my mind up, y'all. I got too many trucks and done added some stuff like the truck camper and all. Got too many insurances coming in the mail. Gotta make me some decisions. Boy, that right there broke. What did that go to? There's something we gotta fix when we get back. I can't remember what that went to. Lights or something. Golly. These some heavy old batteries too. Oh, that's good on your back right there. Got one of them out. Alright, so I dug around everywhere for a little eyelet to fix that little wire over there, and I ain't found one yet, so we're gotta get us a couple of batteries and a little eyelet to fix that little wire over there. let's see if this one will come loose. Telling how long these batteries been in here. I don't think I may have put them in here one time since I had it. Big old heavy batteries too. Oh. Now, gotta run to the parts house now. Alright, time to run to town. I think we'll run and get Pete. He needs to go with us today. I bet he's ready to ride. What y'all think? Coming. Up in the truck he goes. What you doing out of that truck? Boy, you better load up. You ready? Huh? You bouncing off the walls this morning? Huh? Yeah. Alright y'all, so I needed a little diesel in the 5065. And a lot of times I just go get it in a can or jug, whatever you want to call it, till I start doing a bunch of stuff, and then I'll fill my little tank up here. But 5 or 10 gallons goes a pretty long way in this tractor. Just a lot easier with the pump and the other tank, but I gotta do some road grading before long. I don't like to do a bunch of stuff like this during turkey season, but we've been getting so much rain, the road's about washed away. I may not fool with it though till after turkey season. We'll just have to keep an eye on it. Got 2 jugs, this one lasts a pretty good little while in this little tractor. I got 2 new batteries for the black 01 Dodge. Got me some little eyelets, I call them. They call them, what do they call them? Ring terminals. And I got this all-weather power socket, like a cigarette lighter charger deal for the phone or whatever. I wanted to put this in the boat if I get to hunting and stuff and our batteries go down for our Onyx maps. I want to be able to charge my phone up. They got that one like in the bumper of a truck. I'm gonna put this one in the boat though. Alright, let's start with the passenger side battery. Can't see no more. Get in there. There you go. Didn't have to give it a word, I thought. Come off there. Not gonna come off there. tight. Now, get off there. Alright, got the passenger side on. Alright, got the driver's side in. I gotta fix this wire now. I'm not much of an electrician, but we're gonna get it. Little bitty wire. I half the time end up cutting this stuff in half when I'm trying to trim it. I didn't get enough of it. Come on off there. I always end up with my pocket knife half the time. Thing here is about too big, but I believe it'll work. I can get her cramped on here. These are some cheap pliers, but I believe they'll work no more than we're gonna do with them. Oh no, you didn't. My goodness, what did I do? Popped it off, didn't I? Alright, got both batteries in, got her wired back up. Let's see if she will crank. Let her wait to start real quick. Uh-oh, what we got going on? Uh-oh. Something ain't G-hawing. Come on. What's wrong with you, Key? Uh-oh. I ain't got her running. I'm not sure the little clutch release deal for cranking it ain't acting up. When I mash it all the way in, let's see what it does this time. Y'all see me let off? I ain't never had that happen before. I'm all the way to the floor with the clutch. It won't crank, and then I back off just a little bit. Must be that switch in there. She's running now. Ain't sounding good, ain't it? Alright, so I got my little 12-volt power outlet. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna stick it right here above the fuel gauge. Ain't no wires in here. I'm gonna try. I think I got a hole saw that'll, I think it's supposed to, I forget what size it said, but I think if I start with this, I may have to water it just a little bit, but I think this is gonna be close. Alright, y'all, I know that sun's a little bright for just a minute. We'll move her here in just a minute. I hope I ain't making the wrong call on where to put this. Well, it's where it's gonna be now. Let's see if she fits. Y'all, I believe I got lucky. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Like I said, I'm not much of a wiring guy. There's some spots up under there I could wire to, I think, on an extra panel they got in there. But I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to run it straight to the battery. I got me a fuse link somewhere. Yeah, got me a fuse link that I'm going to stick in there. And I'm going to run it back there with the rest of them. I know that'll work. Alright, y'all, got her wired up. Let's see if she works. She working. That's what I'm talking about. I like it when a plan comes together. That's pretty good right there. Be kind of out of the way. Stretch over to the other seat if somebody needs it. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do now. I got two switches. One, this is for the lights going forward. Boy, that sun's bright, ain't it? And then my other switch over here is for the reverse lights. So, I think I'm going to mount my little reverse light right here so I can reach it easy in the dark to cut on when I'm backing down the boat ramp, and then I'm going to mount my forward light right up here. I don't have a hole saw that's going to work right, so I got my Lawson drill bits out. The biggest one in here may be just right, but if it's not, I'm going to do just a little bit of grinding to get it. This thing's got a little, it's kind of spring loaded right there, and it just kind of pops in and rides on that shoulder. Let's see what we can get. Alright, let's see what we can do right here. I'll try to put it right here where it'll be easy to get to driving. Uh-oh, loose. Them bits right there from Lawson, I'm gonna tell you what, they bad. I'm gonna have to do a little grinding. I can tell already. I can tell already. Probably quite a bit, but that's alright. We're gonna get it right. I'm scared to try my little hole saw. I'm just afraid I am just a little too big. I'm wanting to, but I ain't gonna do it, I don't think. Alright, so I'm having to do a little bit of grinding, not just too much. More than I wanted to do, but do it a little bit of time. Oh, it's pretty close. It's gonna work when we get her done. Alright, got my front light switch mounted. That's pretty cool there, ain't it? Ready to charge something or anything 12 volt. Got one light switch. Now we got to mount the reverse lights. I think I'm gonna mount them right here, like I said, where they'll be easy to get to in the dark. Alright, got the reverse light switch mounted. Them things gonna be bright. All I gotta do now is zippy tie all my wires up out of the way. That's pretty good. Reverse lights right there. Headlights right there. Charging right there. All I lack, I'm gonna put one more light up there on the front. An 8-inch bar. I don't know if I'll get that done this evening or not. We had a pretty good deal right there though. Took a little time. I had to take this little bit here and grind out on them holes, but it wasn't too bad. Alright, gotta clean all these shavings up now. little vacuum sure is handy. Alright, Cody decided he wanted to shoot his bow a little bit. We're gonna concentrate. Take your time. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh. It's alright. Oh, you got in a hurry, didn't you? Come on. Alright, Cody's doing a stalk on this turkey. Oh, hit him in the feather. Alright, so me and Cody shot a little bit. He's gone down to the house. I got a half a tank of chemical. I hadn't really looked at these fields a lot since we sprayed, but they should be able to tell what we got and what we missed. So run down in the bottom and we'll see how much we missed. Maybe it wasn't too much. That's why I just mixed a half a tank. I hope we did good. Looks like I missed just a little strip down through here. Not too bad. We did a good job on the spray, and see how all that wheat's turning brown. Nothing but clover. The only problem, I got a little problem with some nut grass. That stuff's hard to deal with. Hard to spray anything on that nut grass and keep the clover going. I believe this is the best spraying I ever done. It may not ever happen again. I'm gonna be lucky to use this whole half a tank. That's good though. Alright, y'all, had a pretty good day today. A little short hunt this morning. Then we got batteries in the Dodge. Got that going on the black 01 Dodge. Got the switches for the lights working in the boat. And got a 12-volt plug-in for the boat now. Did a little spraying. Proud of my spraying job. Didn't hardly have to use any. Half a tank got it done, and then I sprayed some stuff around the barn here to finish it off. But anyway, pretty good day. Beautiful day. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.